And we are in Harper's Ferry, West Virginia. We're
Super excited.
doing the $100 Road Thrift Challenge, and we find ourselves here. We've actually been looking at coming down here for quite a while, so it's nice. I've got my bulletproof coffee inside my pink travel mug, because why wouldn't I? And for extra special, it's caramel. So, so join us as we trek down here. We're going to go down to the point. We're going to check out everything there is here.
Oh, I guess they shut down the research. Thank you.
Just do that.
Getting it back with my legs, and I'm like, what is on my legs? But it's just these things.
Sorry, I'll edit that all out. It's fine.
What?
I'm recording.
So?
I'll edit that out. It's great.
I don't care. It's real. It's raw.
And we have the real raw train station over here.
This is a good time. I don't think people really understand the significance of this.
No, this is like... So, for anybody that's into anything that's AT related, for us, this is a huge pilgrimage. Is that what we call it?
Well,
yeah.
after this is completed, what's next? Grayson.
Oh, geez, the Grayson Highlands,
Yes.
yeah. And my voice is cracking. My allergies are killing me.
Because he's excited.
It's that. It has, you know, some allergies. Yeah, but wow, if you're ever in this area, this is just the whole town, the vibe of this town. And it seems to be an ongoing theme wherever we go. But there's a general store, which is really cool. Yeah, some really cool stuff.
It's just legit, like, people that have done this from start to finish, like, and you're walking part of what they've done or what they're doing.
Hundreds of thousands of people have made this voyage through here. It's part of the AT.
The ultimate goal? Ultimate goal. We can't do, obviously, the entire thing, but Katahdin. That is the ultimate goal.
We've done
to
McAfee.
Get to the top of that.
We've done a lot of section hikes just because we can't get out to do the full thing. Plus, I think myself personally, I'm gonna go down this way. Probably just not the best physically fit to do this, but there's a Lewis and Clark part of that. Yeah. Sorry, I'm trying to record this and at the same time take it all in, which is interesting. But we're staying at the KOA right down the road, literally 4 minutes from here, which I highly recommend. I think the water's dripping out of the backpack, which we'll do a separate video on because we are just blown away. It's our first KOA, which is...
It's incredible. And
it's just an incredible experience over there, what they're doing. So anyhow, we're going to get back to some of this here. We'll show you what we see, and yeah, stick around. Okay, come over here. Like, just to pan what you're dealing with here, like, you can't... Like, this is like something off of a set of a movie. It's really, this is on Shenandoah Street in Harper's Ferry. Just, you know, casual little area, sitting area. This is your backdrop up here. And we're gonna go check out the rest of this. So, the whole reason we're here is this bridge right in the background, the Pedestrian Bridge. Some of the Carries wanted to cross for quite a while. They just reopened this not too long ago.
Yeah, it was under repair or something for a while.
But this is really crazy. This is the Potomac and Shenandoah rivers passing through Blue Ridge Mountains. Just absolutely incredible, the backdrop here. And
What
just,
was that up there? You see, it almost looks like a sign.
it's like a, yeah, way off in the distance, like a gunpowder sign.
Yeah.
So we're going to, why don't you join us? We're going to go cross this bridge and take you along with us. And then we're going to hike up to the conservatory, and then we're going to go get our thrift on from there. Let's go do it. Thanks for...
This is like McCarthy Knob type.
Oh, when we were up there in
Oh
Shenandoah.
my God. Like, just...
Yeah, except that it won't take us 4 hours to summit this.
No. Not the point. Like, the whole idea of it.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, but when we did,
Like how cool that was.
when we hiked that, we had no idea what we were getting ourselves into. That's really
No,
funny.
but just to be at the top of it, that's what this is.
Oh,
to
yeah,
me.
no, I totally get it. And you're on it. Try not to hurt other people.
That's okay.
This is all brand new.
Yeah. Ooh. And like these hikers, they didn't take the stickers off.
Little pink cup. So,
And the people that do this are absolutely amazing to me. Like,
so
I don't know.
I'm not gonna. This isn't gonna
No,
make the
that's
recording.
fine. I don't care.
No. My point is that when we like this stuff, this is what I'm talking about. When this is what makes me fall in love with the trail all over
Yeah.
again, is because this is it. It's like just the whole like atmosphere of this. You can't get this experience anywhere. Like, this is something that every day,
People experience this
Experience
every
this.
single day.
like to the point where when you're on the trail, it feels like,
But I don't know.
locked.
It's almost like, oh, it's cool because people do this all the time, but I don't think people really understand the significance of what these people are actually doing. And it's
Yeah.
not just the, oh, look, you're on the AT. It's the entire experience. Like,
No, I get
it's
it.
incredible.
I just think it's even the ones that come through here, like doing it like we're doing it, I don't think
I
they're
don't
getting.
think they get it.
No,
Like, oh, it's just a walk.
it's just a
It
point.
really is not. There's a whole history.
We should have brought a lock. No, I don't think that here. Stop here for a second. Definitely some fishing. But yeah, the casual ones that come down and just bring the dogs down. I don't think they get it. And you can tell. So just looking at it really quickly, the bridge was built, according to the placard back there, 1893. Part of the railroad through here. We're talking about, for us, what a big deal this is being, AT people, and what we love about where we travel. We try to touch as many parts of the AT as we can until we can make that trek at some point in our lives. But it's funny how many people walk through here and, you know, casually walking their dogs or whatever and don't realize what they're crossing and what the significance of what they're walking on is. But yeah, we'll bring you back down to the trail. We're gonna go down the steps and see where this leads. Look at this. Please watch your step. Hey. Hey. Stay right there. Thank you. That'll be a nice photo.
Oh, thanks for burning up already.
Hey. Thank you. When I go to edit that with VLC, I can make screenshots.
No.
There you go. There's your shot right there. Hey, can you hold that?
So which way did we go?
I'm gonna go that way. Hold that. And that's. How cool is that? It's pretty cool. There's the missus. So I think we have to catch that from over there. Like once we have to go back over the bridge, but
For what?
to catch the conservatory. Because okay, if we carefully walk over here. But I'm not doing it.
Faces that way.
Oh.
Isn't that crazy? We gotta go up a little bit more.
So we stopped here to take a picture, and I just couldn't stop to just let it, just a picture. This is St. Pete's Church. It's a Roman Catholic church on top of the city of Harper's Ferry. Really interesting. It looks like they do some sort of ghost tours as well. This here, the building was erected in 1835 and rebuilt October 1896. That's actually 1830.
Is it really?
Yeah, really interesting. But, well, apparently we're going to keep going. Okay, we're going to head ourselves up to, I think it's a little 16-minute walk up to the Conservatory Visitor Center and check out some stuff up there. So join us, and we're going to head up High Street. And we are actually going up High Street. Yeah. Due to the COVID-19 thing, situation, whatever you want to call it this way, a lot of the historical buildings here are closed, which is a shame because a lot of them are absolutely amazing. But yeah, but no complaints here because just being here is just a incredible experience. So yeah,
I'm like,
it was a beautiful job, beautiful town. Things they're doing here is absolutely incredible. So yeah, let's take it on in. coffee milk.
Oh wow. Look at the tiddlywinks.
Oh wow.
Oh, they're open. Whoops.
Yeah. Wow. Coach House Bar and Grill.
$99 room.
So, much like with everything else at this point, we did make it to the Conservatory. However, they're closed due to COVID-19. We did meet a gentleman out back who seemed fairly nice. They're still doing registrations and passport stamps if you're doing a through hike. But as far as the gift shop and stuff like that, it's closed. So we're going to continue sweating. The humidity is off the charts today. We're going to head ourselves back into town and see what more stuff we can find, and then from there maybe a quick shower, and we're going to hit the roads to do some thrifting, because this is the $100 Road Thrift Challenge. You have any questions, or you want to make any comments, things that we missed here, please hit the comment box below. Please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, we really would appreciate it. So we're at the halfway point as of shooting of this video to 1,000 subscribers. So I want to thank each and every one of you. So again, we can't express how much that means to us. And yeah, we'll keep going. Hey friends, Bob from 25 Plus Life here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This way here we know you care. Thank you.